Alright, look, y'all, it was a girl named Taja. She had a crush on me in like 6th grade or whatever, like, and I was young boy, like, I ain't lose my virginity in like 8th grade type shit. Like, so anyway, I was thinking like, I ain't know nothing about none of that. Just pornos and, beating a horse. That's all it was or whatever. But, I was looking like she looked real live jetty, so, she fucking around the go or whatever. So one time, like, I'm asking, like, when you gonna come over? She was like, my mama ain't gonna let me. I'm thinking like, oh yeah, we can hung or whatever. I was like, oh, well, you want to do something in the basement? She was like, we can't do that. I was like, oh. And then she was like, but you can touch on me. All right. So we got a class together or whatever, like, and we was supposed to be taking notes. Everybody know I'm blind as fuck. I can't see. I usually sit in the front when it come to notes, even though I still be fucking around. But I sit in the back and have my nigga, like, sit in the front. So, motherfuckers don't come back there, be spying. She unzip her pants, boom, boom, boom. And I'm writing with my right hand, and I start fingering her. Or whatever. First 5 seconds, she started going crazy, loud as fuck. So I heard you just got out. I was pissed. I did this. As soon as I did this, I smelled some shit. And I started thinking for a minute, like, am I tripping? Like, and I was sweating from 5 seconds of fingering her. Like, I was thinking, like, her fissy pussy must have evaporated to my body and made me start sweating. So I was like, hey, did you spit on me when I was coming out? And she was like, no. I was like, you sure? She was like, yeah, did you spit? I was like, I'm positive. Did you spit? She was like, no. I was like, I guess. So she got up, go get some paper towels, got to button up her pants. Miss Brooks answered like, Tasia, why is your pants unbuttoned? She was like, because I'm hot. She ended up seeing me in the back. She knew something was going on. So after class, she talked to me that day. She was like, Dylan, why was her pants unbuttoned? I was like, why would her pants be zipped up? And she was like, you mean buttoned up? I was like, same thing. They supposed to be the same, right? She was like, no. I was like, anyways, what am I here for? She was like, what did you and Tajay do in the back? I was like, we both sat down. We both took notes. She like, you sure? I was like, oh yeah, and we both looked at the overhead so we can take the notes. And at the end, she like, why would you sweat? And I was like, why is it hot? And she was like, because the AC ain't turned on. I'm like, well, why the AC ain't turned on? She was like, Dylan, why are you questioning me like I'm the teacher? I was like, and I'm the student. Like, why am I getting questioned for something that I didn't do? And she was like, oh. So, like, what did you do today? I was like, woke up, brushed my teeth, washed my face, ate cereal, then came to school. And she was like, I'm talking about the day in this class. I was like, walked in, saw you, shook my people's hand, I stood on the tables for a minute, hurry up, ran, sat down, took notes, but I squinched and everything. So she gonna hit me with, Dylan, I know you and Tajay did, and I was like, I don't even talk to that girl. And she was like, oh, for real? I was like, yeah, she just liked me. So she ended up talking to her. And the bitch gonna be like, yeah, I do like him. And she's like, okay, so what happened back there? She was like, he asked, can he touch on my private? Bitch. So, because of all that, I ended up getting 15 days of suspension, a phone call home, and a big-ass ass whooping with, a month of punishment in the 6th grade. Like, my mama could have retaught me about the birds and the bees, but yeah, she just gonna put me on punishment and whoop my ass. Like, why this bitch? Her mama gonna get mad at me because I tried to do something with her. But the little jetty bitch like me, she down there lost her virginity in 2nd grade. And she come back to school the next day. What type shit is that?